Okay guys, 2015 Honda CR-V, rebuilt title, damage is lower, wheel was gone in that area. So here's a little touch-ups we've done here. It's got Michelin tires on there. This is an EXL leather. $81,832 on the miles. Cruise control. All your temp controls, heated seats, smart key. All your different options. Looks like this thing's been averaging almost 21 miles per gallon. Power windows, locks and mirrors. VIN number. Does have the sunroof. Is all-wheel drive. Clean, low mileage Honda CR-V 2015. Rebuilt title. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.